If the standard edition of Siser's EasyPatterns Plus HTV isn't enough to light up anyone's day, there's now an option that can truly pull this off with the right design chops. Siser now offers EasyPatterns Plus Glow HTV, which is built and offered in a similar fashion to its main counterpart, but with distinct patterns that can charge under light to glow in the dark. Without the need to mask the CPS-IA certified material, cutting and applying it will be just as simple as with any of Siser's regular HTV. Referring to the size of your fabric item to customize, you'll need to first create and scale your design accordingly through your vinyl cutter software. In preparing a multicolor or multi-material design, however, be sure to always apply EasyPatterns Plus Glow as the top layer for the best results. Once your design is ready, you may load your EasyPatterns Plus Glow sheet or roll to your cutter. If you use a Silhouette Cameo 4, be sure to draw a weed box around the overall design and use the standard Siser HTV settings on the Send tab. Material to heat transfer smooth, blade depth to 3, force to 6, and speed to 8. For the most refined cuts, we recommend completing a test cut first to help determine what settings to change based on your cutters specifically. With the EasyPatterns Plus Glow now cut, trim and weed out the cut design, which will now be ready to apply onto a fabric item. This material can be applied using the regular Siser HTV heat press settings, 10 seconds at 305 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. As soon as your machine is ready, bring your item to the lower platen and you may pre-press it for 2 to 3 seconds to clear out any wrinkles and moisture. After this, bring your EasyPatterns Plus Glow transfer above where desired. Cover everything with a protective sheet and press. After 15 seconds, open your heat press and you may peel the EasyPatterns Plus Glow carrier sheet hot or cold. Your custom cut EasyPatterns Plus Glow design will now be a permanent part of your fabric item. Charge it by simply bringing it under strong lighting and it'll surely catch yours and any other's attention as soon as it illuminates in the dark. You can learn more about Siser HTV and other products on our YouTube channel or at heatpressnation.com.